Today I'm going to explain that how this problem has been solved on section of solid. So let's begin with with first we will read the question. A hexagonal pyramid of side of base 30 mm and height of axis 80 mm is resting on one of its inclined vertical surface on HP such that its axis remains parallel to the VP. It is cut by a cutting plane which is inclined at an angle 45 degree to the with HP and bisecting the axis of the pyramid. Draw front view and sectional top view. So let's begin with solving this. As the base of the hexagonal pyramid is 30 is of 30 mm side. We have taken the base as you can see the measurement, and the axis height is given 80 mm. We have also taken that axis height, and now the further condition is given that the one of its surface is inclined, one of its vertical surface is on HP. That means we had copied this, and we have uh, placed its one of surface on the HP, as you can see in the second diagram. So then we have done, according to the third condition, a cutting plane which is inclined at an angle of 40 degree with HP and bisecting the axis of the pyramid. So we will check whether the cutting plane which we have drawn is at 40 degree or not. Yes, it is at 40 degree, and the further condition is given that it is bisecting the axis of the pyramid. As the height of the axis is given 80, after bisecting, the part which will remain will be 40, and we have shown it here. As you can see, it is of 40 mm. Further, we have taken projections from this diagram before drawing the cutting plane, and then from the base of the pyramid, and we have just marked the points accordingly, A, B, C, D, E, F, and we have drawn the front view of the pyramid. Later on, we have also taken the projections from the cutting plane which we had taken earlier, and we also marked the point, and we have shown that part by the hatch command. And here we have used the PL polyline command to join this all points. Further on, we have taken the projections from the hatched surface, hatched part, which we have got towards the right, and we had made this cutting plane parallel to the HP and taken the projection, so that we have found the sectional top view, that is the true shape of the hexagonal pyramid which is given to us. Such that the problem has been solved